If there's anything a year like 2020 has taught us, it's that we should be finding ways of enjoying all of the great shows and movies and content that we're probably plowing through as we stay or work from home. If anything, it's a great way to just unwind after a day of work and just watch something together with our loved ones. Now, I've been enjoying a lot of stuff like new movies, YouTube, and even Korean dramas this year, but not with my partner, my long-distance girlfriend that you know as Isa of Isa Does Tech. So Xiaomi reached out and basically said, let's help you with that. They sent Isa their new smart TV stick, and then they sent me this, a projector, my first projector in a long time. And you know what? It's pretty dope. So, Isa and I will enjoy stuff together for the holidays using these items. So, this is Joshua Vergara. What's going on, everybody? This is the Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector. Yes, this video is sponsored by Xiaomi, who sent me this Mi Smart Compact Projector for this holiday piece. This is not necessarily a review of the product, but I will be giving some of my thoughts after using this projector for basically the holiday weekend. Also, you can check out Isa's video on the Mi TV Stick if you already have a good TV and just want to add some smarts to it. Her video is in the card above and in the description below. The Mi Smart Compact Projector is, at first glance, exactly what you'd expect from a Mi device. If you're at all familiar with the greater Mi ecosystem outside of their smartphones, Xiaomi tends to keep things pretty minimalistic with black and white motifs across their products. Included in the box is the power adapter, which is needed because this projector is not battery powered. There is also a remote for controlling what will be the Android TV interface built in, which is why smart is in the name. The grills on all sides are for the built-in speaker, which covers a large integrated sound chamber that's actually capable of some impressive sound. And then up top is the power button, though you'll probably be using the Bluetooth paired remote most of the time. The front has the projector lamp, of course, above a secondary sensor that helps with keystone correction, next to a designation that yes, this is a 1080p resolution projector. And finally, on the back, you can see the connections for the power adapter, audio, USB storage, and an HDMI connection if you want to go beyond just the built-in software. Okay, obviously one of the nuances of a projector compared to like a television is that you are throwing the image up on a surface, and the best environment for that experience would be a dark one. That's why you're watching me here in my usual A-roll set talking about this product, separated from the place where the projector is actually being used. Luckily, there was a spot here in my home that was already made for this. A free wall had a couch on it that was just waiting to be used. So we replaced that with an old TV stand, relocated the couch, and we set the stage. The TV stand gave me a reference point for how to throw the image on the wall above it. Now, setting up the projector requires a couple of items, namely a tripod or a light stand, as well as a small ball head where you will mount it using the 1/4-20 screw mount on the bottom of the projector. Which brings me to one of my favorite features of the projector, which is its keystone correction. Upon the boot up of the projector, it will use the lamp and the sensor to automatically figure out the proper focus and the proper keystoning for the surface it is being projected on. The keystone works in a vertical manner, so you can tilt the projector up or down, and it will adjust that final image based upon what is its actual full projected canvas. Of course, if you go for just a straight line shot, you can almost fill that canvas, but you might end up in the line of the projector's image. And as fun as the little, hand puppets can be, it's obviously better for you to see everything projected. So most of the time I would raise the light stand and tilt the image down so that the image is at eye level. This results in a slightly smaller image overall because of the keystone effect that I just explained, but at least viewers will be out of the line of the light. And then if you need to do any further adjustments, everything is automatic on here, so just a quick shake of the projector or of the light stand will trigger the automatic focusing and keystone correction again. The Android TV interface will be pretty familiar to anyone that has used a smart TV or a TV stick in the past, mirroring the experience that Isa was probably getting on the Mi TV Stick on her television. It's a gateway to all of the apps of content you might want, YouTube, Netflix, and HBO Max to name a few. And with the microphone in the remote, you can actually do Google Assistant searches using your voice. What really impressed me is the sound quality of the integrated speaker. It won't be winning any awards for, let's say, bass, but it's still richer than I would have expected. And it seems Xiaomi knew this themselves because there's actually a mode in this projector where you can just shut off the lamp and the software interface and just connect this to anything else like you would any other Bluetooth speaker. Considering where the projector might actually be positioned for your viewing experience, it's projecting sound in the right area, so the sound is actually quite impressive. But of course, Bluetooth connections are also possible in the other direction, so if I didn't want to blast the sound out of the projector, I could just connect my high-quality headphones or external speakers. Ultimately, watching stuff has been enjoyable as long as the environment is right, which is why we're watching content at night, because that's the best time to do it, when the sun has gone down and the lights can be turned off. Xiaomi outfitted the Mi Smart Compact Projector with a 4-channel LED RGB unit so that the colors can be vivid and the brightness can be even more than your usual projectors. On this one, it gets to an output of up to 500 ANSI lumens. Now, 1080p resolution does well for the distance that I put the projector at, which is about 2.5 meters, making the screen a size of around 85 to 90 inches. I've never had a TV that big. You'd have to pay way more to get a TV that size, but this projector is small enough that you could just set it aside until it's time to sit down and watch. But now with the projector and Issa's TV stick set up, it was time to finally watch something with my girlfriend. This is what
bigger than lifetime.
Oh, so this is what we have to do in order to, spend time together in a long distance relationship. So there's Issa. She's this tiny thing here at the bottom of the screen because she's actually projecting me, or rather she's casting me, this video call, to the Mi Stick. So I'm like all over her TV at the moment.
Merry Christmas!
It's too bad we weren't able to spend this time together, but if we have an ability to watch something together, which we haven't done all year, what do you do you have any ideas what we could watch? I tried to look up some holiday movies and
I wanna really wanna watch Chloe again.
I remember saying, because I loved it, you were already loving the show, I remember saying when we can finally see each other again, can we watch it again together? Any particular episode?
Let's do the episode where it's gonna be a spoiler though.
Oh, okay. I guess we won't spoil it for anybody.
I want to find the LDR episode.
Yeah, Crash Landing on You has a lot of bright and colorful scenes, but of course we wanted to watch this show because it's an emotional roller coaster. We watched an episode that showed a pivotal moment in the main character's relationship, which is long distance in nature, and that's exactly what she and I have had to deal with all year. That's why when we get a chance to watch something together, even remotely, it's important because we haven't been able to do this together in quite some time. Here's to hoping that we can actually reconnect really soon, but for now, we'll rewatch Chloe remotely and find other ways of being together for the holidays. And so there you have it, a look at the Xiaomi Mi Smart Compact Projector. This was just a look at my first few days with this smart projector, in particular watching a show that me and Issa both really love. It has some really impressive features that I also wanted to share with you. Again, Issa is featuring the Mi TV Stick in her own video that I encourage you to check out in the links above and below. If you're interested in either of these products, they are also linked, and yes, they are available in multiple markets, including the US. I hope all of you are having a lovely holiday and final days of 2020. Be together this holiday and enjoy any of the wonderful content we've gotten throughout the year. While you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and call it on this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I would just remind you to enjoy your tea, everybody.